Ba't nyo nilagyan ng 12% VAT? Sino bang may idea nun, Mr. Chair? Wala naman dapat. Basahin po ninyo yung IPIRA in its original form. Wala talaga eh. Bigla na lang nagkaroon ng 6% VAT pagkatapos binigyan na naman ng another 6%. Kaya, tanggalin natin yon. And then we will present a study na kapag ginawa natin yon, ang ating manufacturing sector talagang lalaki. Ito po yung problema. Bagsak po ang manufacturing natin. It is not contributing significantly to our economy. Ang ating pong GDP is consumption-driven. Dapat production-driven. Imagine po nyo yung ating cement industry, Mr. Marasigan, Yusek Marasigan. 70% ng production cost is electricity, power. Kaya po